In this video, I am going to show you how to download your Tide bank statement. So Tide lets you download your account statement directly from the Tide app, or even if you want to log in online on the web dashboard. Statements are typically available as a PDF document, and you can also export transaction data in a CSV format for accounting purposes. So first of all, just go and open the Tide app and sign in into your account. If you have multiple accounts, select the accounts that you want to download the statements for. Once you open your account, you'll have to navigate into the details option. So you'll find your Tide current accounts with the blue rectangular, and you'll have to click on the detail or details. Once you click on details, you'll find yourself here on your account details. So you'll have to click on statements and documents. Once you click on statements and documents, here you will find account statements, card statements, and SEPA statements. Choose the statements that you want to download. So if you click on any statement, you'll find basically either to choose a statement from a specific month of the year, or you can even choose a custom dates range for the statement. Once you choose that, or once you click on that, you will find the full page of statements and you'll find the share button at the top right. If you click on that share button, you'll be able to download your statements as a PDF and you can save it in your device, share it by email, and print it if needed. So once you do so, you successfully have your bank or your Tide bank statement, and you are ready to use it wherever and however you want. If you can't find, as example, your latest statement or it's not available, keep in mind that monthly statements are generated after the end of each statement period, so you may need to wait until the next basically statement is issued to find your last statement. So that's how you download the Tide bank statements. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.